lots of fun from our friends at Wagner. It is a one-speed FLEXiO paint sprayer with iSpray accessories. Well, this is very cool. It's on a clearance sale price of $84.99, 5 easy payments of $17. Well, Wagner's been bringing us some incredible items since 1946, and this is so cool because the best way to achieve that sort of brand new fresh look is to give it a nice fresh coat of paint, or perhaps maybe like a nice stain. Well, this is very cool because you're going to be able to not have to hire someone to come into your space and take care of that for you. This is all done all on your own. And let's think about if you've ever painted something before. I mean, all of us have at some point or another. The paint can, maybe it's the brush, maybe it's the roller, big giant mess, the paint pan, like, oh no, such a disaster. Not the case here with what we're seeing right here from Wagner. Clearance sale price $84.99. If you were to purchase it separately, almost $170. This is such a great moment, and it's on 5 easy payments of $17. With our clearance sale price that will go up at the end of the day, and the free shipping and handling that will also expire at the end of the day, you're saving over $52 to pick this one up for less than $85. So here's what you're getting. You are getting your paint sprayer, which is this big piece right here. You're also getting your iSpray nozzle, and then you're getting your detail finish nozzle as well. You're getting cup with liners, a little nozzle cleaning brush, and then some nozzle grease packets. So let's talk about the iSpray nozzle that you're looking at right here. So this is very cool because this is what you're going to use for your broader surfaces. And the cool thing here, I'm going to show you if you can guys see this right up here, you have some adjustability right here with those spray patterns. So you've got like a material flow control. You also have some spray width depth as well. So you can really get to that creativity here with exactly how much or how little in which way you're going to be able to spray that paint. And then right up here up top, you've got numbers on this one right here, which is going to allow you to be able to control the amount of paint. So perhaps maybe you want to give it like a 1 coat, see what that looks like. Go in on a 2nd coat, or maybe you just want to go to like number 3 and really get a lot of paint on that surface and be able to see that nice hearty finish. But I love that we're seeing this right here. What an awesome way to go ahead and use this outdoors and stain that deck. Maybe it's the fence. Maybe your fence is a little bit tired, or maybe the bottom half of the fence, maybe from the sprinklers, is starting to look a little discolored. This is how you can go ahead and achieve that incredible look for a fraction of the price, because let's be honest, to replace the fence or a deck, that could be very costly. Why not give it a nice fresh coat of paint or stain before you go and spend that kind of money? This is very cool, and this is very limited as of right now. Lots of us are picking this up, which makes me really happy because a professional paint job can be very expensive. Why not take control and do it all on your own with something that is so easy? So we're talking about here the iSpray nozzle. Let's talk about the detail finish nozzle that you're looking at right here. Well, this is for fine finishing, and again, you've got some adjustability here as well to give you that kind of spray width and depth. But this is so fantastic because this is for those smaller jobs, or perhaps maybe for the textured kind of moments here, like even what you're seeing like even on our set with the walls over here. I can show you. Actually, let's take a little jog over here. Like perhaps maybe you've got some kind of moments like this with like crown molding, or perhaps maybe different kinds of like moments throughout the walls, or you have something detailed that you want to be like spraying maybe a pot or whatnot and has different kinds of textures and dimensions. This is where you're going to use that detail finish moment here and fill this right on up with your paint or your stain. You can even put a primer in here if you wanted to go ahead and like get started there before you go heavy. So this is really fantastic on a clearance sale price of $84.99, or those 5 easy payments of $17. If you were to purchase this separately, it'd cost you $169 and change right here, right now, and for today only, $84.99. You are saving over $44, and with free shipping and handling, you're saving over $52.51. If you want to open up a Q card, you can definitely do that on QVC.com because you are getting $50 off when you get approved. So definitely check out more details on QVC.com if you don't already have a Q card. It's the best way to shop with us here at QVC. But definitely want to pick up this Wagner paint sprayer with iSpray accessories to get that home, and perhaps maybe you're outdoors looking nice and fantastic this spring. All right. Well, everything is shipping for free right now,